actually I ordered them months ago, I guess. So this is the purse. Oh, here. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Cuckoo Style. Today's video is going to be super excited because I am doing Savana haul again, and this time I don't know what I have ordered because actually I ordered this product long time before, so I don't remember what I have ordered actually, but still I am super excited to see them. And this is the packages I have got, and the packaging is super good. It is yellow plastic, which is very attractive. You remember PK? You can see them from very long, very far away. So I'm super excited to unbox this with you guys. And so without further delay, let's begin the video. So this is the first product I am going to unbox. Let's see what inside, because I totally forget what I ordered long, because I ordered them months ago, I guess. So this is the first. Oh, here two products. Oh, here I see three products. Yeah, this is the bag, and let's see first one first. Let's see this one first. This is a hair bonnet, I guess. Oh, I remember, because yes, I wanted to have this satin hair bonnet since my hair is falling a lot. I am having lots of hair fall these days, so I ordered this one. Yeah, I don't know how it's going to. Yeah, it is stretchable here, elastic material, and this part is satin material. I think I got this for 200 rupees. I don't remember exactly how much. So you just put this like this and go to sleep to protect your hair from tangle in cotton bedsheet. So this is super good for your hair. And I think, yeah, I don't remember the price. I will write it. And this is another product. So this is my another product I got in that same package. And this is a bag. Actually, I wanted to have this cross bag, so I got this. And I think this bag is super cute, and the color is also pretty, brown and yellow. And I saw this on website that lots of people bought this bag, so I was curious to have this one because I wanted to have cross bag. I think I got this for like maybe 400 or 500, something like that. I don't remember exactly, so I'll write the price on the screen. And there is no zip here. You just close this one here and open it like that. And this is like this. It's not very big. And I think lots of things will not go inside here. It is good for your mobile phone or your wallet. That's enough space for that one. You can carry this like this way or cross. I think I am going to use in cross body bag because I got this for that one purpose only. So moving to my next product is this. This is a shoulder bag. Like, ooh, it's looking cute, super. I think this is, well, I find this quality is very good one, and this look very premium and very, expensive as well. I think I got this for more than 700 rupees. I don't remember exact price, maybe less than 700 as well. So this is how it look inside, and there is zip, and there is only one compartment. There's no other compartment for keep things. So I think, well, though there is only one compartment, I think still there will be, lot of things are going inside here because this feels huge. And I find this is very cute and very, very good bag in this price, and I think I'm going to use this bag a lot. So I'm satisfied with this one. It's good. So moving to my next package is this. I don't know what inside here because I totally forget what I have ordered. This is a top. I think, yeah, I ordered one blue top last time. This is how it look. This is off shoulder top. And I got this in extra small, yeah, because all my tops are mostly extra small. So this one is also extra small top. So let's try this. And this is a stretchable material, very stretchy, and it will hug your body perfectly. So let's try this and see how it fit me. So moving to my next product is this. I don't know what inside here again. Oh, here also two product are here. Two products, yes. So this is halter neck top. I remember now. This is pink halter neck. This is pink halter neck top. I don't know the material of this cloth, but this is very soft baby pink cloth, and this looks very cute. Let's try how it fit me. And there you will see this cute flower brooch. Yeah, am I pronouncing correctly? I don't know. It's brochet or brochet. Yeah, something like that. So it's looking cute, and the color is pretty. I think this is going to go with your jeans skirt, anything. So this color is pretty beautiful. So let's try how it's fit me. This is how it's look on me. This top is super cute, and this is going to go with any kind of bottom wear, and I got this for $7.57, and I'm satisfied. And there is another product here in the same package. This one is also a halter neck top. I think this is very see-through. Anyways, and this is jersey material and very stretchable. Let's try this, and I don't remember the price. So let's try how it fit me. And the color is brown. It's good. And I got this, I don't remember. And I got this in size extra small because all my tops are extra small. So moving to my next product is this. But I don't know, I think this is nail, press on nail. Yes, I remember I ordered press on nail as well. This is this press on nail, and I got this in black, yeah, black color press on nail. Ooh, this look very beautiful. I will try it and show you guys definitely. It looks so cute. So cute. And this look so, very color is very rich, and that velvety material kind of. It's so, let's try. I am very, very super excited to try this product as soon as possible. Moving to my last package, that is this. Let's see what inside here. Oh, this is a top. Again, this is not top. Yeah, top. Yeah, it is top, but it is short. This is short top. So this is brown cheeks top. Last time I got one brown cheek top. That one was, it was a very good material, but the shape and design of the cloth was not good. So I returned that one. So I got another one because I wanted this kind of top. I think this is going to be very loose on me because it seems big. Actually, I got this in size S or extra small. I think I got this in size S, so I think this is going to be bit loose on me, so it is not going to fit me well. By looking at the product, I can say now. And material wise, it is not very good. Last time one was much better than this one. So, but the color is very pretty. So let's try how it fit me and whether I will keep it or return it. So let's try. As I said, this one does not fit me well, and I got this for 932 rupees. So this is the last product of this haul. So this is, I think this one is also a press-on nail. Oh, this is not a press-on nail. Oh God, this is a belt. I saw this belt on. Yeah, this is. Yes, yes, yes. This is a belt. This is this, 90s vibing belt, and this is very shiny. Not shiny. It's very sparkling and silver color belt. So I'm super excited to try this, and I'm super excited to style with this belt. So this is the last product, and let's try, and I'll show you guys how it fit me. Of course this is going to fit me, but I'll try those other products. So that is for this whole video. So that is for this video. If you find this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my channel. So see you guys. My phone is ringing. I'm going to medical right now. So see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye, and don't forget to comment your best product from this haul. Bye bye.